Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Walker Bee Ranch. As you can tell by the clouds, it's supposed to rain. So today we did a little work and moved a few hives, and now I'm going to take you out there and show you what we got. Six and a half miles to their destination. Looks like it's going to rain here shortly. There's the strawberry fields. Hopefully these bees have settled down since I moved them out here. Just like that, started to rain on the way here. Okay, GPS says we're 1.6 miles away, and there's a field there that's being grown. Here's another field here that's growing some vegetation. I don't know what it is, to be honest with you, and it doesn't appear to have flowered yet, so don't know. However, the rain is picking up and we're a mile away, so I'll put this back on in just a minute. However, that does look like an orchard of some sort. There's a bunch of trees there. I'm not sure what they are, but they're big trees. Okay, so we're about a third, 0.3 miles away, so this white fence is the first sign. And you can see it's a little field over here, but I got to go through this little piece of gate right here, which is tight for my truck. And here we are. So here we are. Right now, I've got these 12 here. Actually, I should call it 11, because that last one on the end, I believe, is actually dead out. Might have a few bees in it, but nothing to speak of. Probably not even a queen. So I will probably bring another colony and replace that one. But right now they're getting their bearings. It's just starting to rain here. All of these colonies are facing the south. My truck is south. They've got some floral blooming. There's a pond back in those woods that way. Pond. That's the people that are letting me use their land's house over there. But these bees, as it's starting to pick up, of course it starts to pick up when I'm out here when it's raining. But right now they're kind of flying. Well, it started to rain pretty heavily once I got here, so I'm gonna see if it sit here for a few minutes and see if it dies down. I can show you some more what's going on. Okay, well, it doesn't appear that it's gonna let up raining too much at the moment, but right now it looks like everybody's flying, and except for this one colony, which is probably in bad shape, but you know, you get them like that, right? Probably some drift going on, some bees. They all look pretty good at the moment, and we'll just keep an eye on them and see how it goes. And you know, first time having a out yard of this size. Got one nuke. We'll just see what happens. Now the sun's coming out, but it's still raining. raining pretty good actually. And everything's green out here. So it's just a nice little area. Can't see it from the road. It's back off. It's south facing. So everything looks pretty good. But as you can tell, I'm getting drenched. So I'm gonna hop back in. We'll come back in a few days and check these out, and hopefully I can bring you along for that. So we'll see you soon. All right, just pulling back in here to the main yard, and you notice there's one missing there. There's one missing on the ground right there. So those two got moved. There was a whole hive stand back there that got moved. One got moved from right there, and all of the colonies off of that back rack except for that one nuke got moved. So everything got moved out of here. Trying to get this cleaned up and make things better. So right now, that's what we got. So hopefully you like the little tour. It's not much, it wasn't much of a tour, but because it started raining on us. And then you get back over here and it's sunny. So it's coming this way. But at any rate, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little trip, and we'll see you on the next episode. Have a good day. Small hive beetle in the house. What the hell? That's what we do to them.